Stay together, everyone.
The door! It's closing!
Quick, everyone inside! Whoa there!
Wow, Daddy, look inside! It's beautiful.
Hee, down here.
Ooh! Ah!
Whoa, the stroller!
George, hold on! Peppa George.
Mummy Pig, catch it! Careful now, everyone. This place is enormous.
Wow, Daddy, so many pumpkins!
Welcome, little piggies.
Jack?
Roll!
Jack?
Roll!
Ollie?
No!
Lantern?
Nope. Gordon, so close.
Goo goo gaga pumpkin! Pumpkin!
She got it. The secret name is Pumpkin. One wish each Halloween for the littlest guesser.
Ooh, at you.
Wow, look at these stairs. Let's climb up. The walls are smiling now.
And the lanterns are bobbing. Let's go to the top. Yay, Pumpkin. The door is opening. Woo, pumpkins walk. Wow, Daddy, the pumpkins are lighting the way.
Yes, Peppa, it's a magical parade home.
Yay, let's go.
What a spooky adventure.
Rah, I see the house.
The pumpkins are waving goodbye.
Ooh, Daddy, what's that?
It's a magical pumpkin, Peppa, for a
Nightlight. Wow, it was so spooky.
Dinosaur ghost! A dinosaur ghost!
Hot chocolate for my adventurers.
Look, Daddy, my glowing pumpkin friend.
Ho ho, what a wonderful friend!
Hee hee, how lovely. Look at my pumpkin.
It's lovely, Peppa. Let's have a hug.
A family hug.
So cozy. Perfect.